Coenzyme A is a cofactor of vitamin. Which vitamin? Okay, so this is very interesting. Now the thing is that what is coenzyme A? COA ऐसे लिखते हैं, ये है क्या? So coenzyme A is actually, I would say, one of the most important, we can say, important metabolic coenzyme in the body. Its functions in TCA cycle में रहता है, fatty acid oxidation में, या फिर एसिटल COA फॉर्मेशंस में. ओके, तो इसमें मैं एक नया चीज मैं आप लोगों को बोल देता हूँ. जैसे मान लीजिए आपका बॉडी में, फॉर एग्जांपल, खाने से पहले आपका बॉडी वेट था 80 kg. आपने खाना खाया मान लो 300 ग्राम, तो इस हिसाब से तो नया बॉडी वेट होना चाहिए 80.3 kg. एक भी इधर उधर नहीं होना चाहिए. बट अ लॉट ऑफ रिएक्शंस, अ लॉट ऑफ सब प्रोडक्ट्स our body keep on making. So even after eating, this may be 80.2 भी हो सकता है, depending on what food you are getting, and that byproduct may be a little bit heavier, so it can go to 80.5 also. Sometimes it also creates a lot of gas also, and that forms and that creates a upper value of the weight as well. ऐसे काफी कुछ चीजें होती रहती हैं. So amino acid metabolism में भी ऐसे हम लोग देख सकते हैं. So what is the chemical composition? So this is vitamin B5. B5 here is pantothenic acid is there, and cysteamine is there, and adenosine 3 and 5 diphosphate is also added. So vitamin B5 से होगा pantothenic acid, so that is coenzyme A. Okay, so if the metabolism is a city की तरह समझ लीजिए, एक शहर की तरह अगर हम लोग मेटाबॉलिज्म को समझेंगे, तो acetyl CoA is the currency, or pantothenic acid prints that currency. So this creates the biochemical clarity. So why pantothenic acid? So this is without vitamin B, no CoA synthesis, no acetyl CoA, no TCA cycle, कुछ नहीं होगा. So riboflavin is actually vitamin B2 नहीं है. So riboflavin forms दो चीजों को फॉर्म करता है, एक फैट और एक FMN. Okay, so use this oxidation reduction reactions, not CoA. So pyridoxine is B6. So this is also incorrect. This forms in the PLP. Okay. No, this is not. It has nothing to do with plasma. This is the pyridoxal phosphate. Then folic acid, vitamin B9. Okay. So this is one carbon metabolism and the DNA synthesis. So the final answer goes for this. And one important thing we can say, that is pantothenic acid is a small small as a vitamin, but holds the key for the metabolic energy flow. So this is going to be very important. So the answer is this.